Hello everyone, Sandhya here again. So today I'm here with our Ajrak Mull Cotton collections to show you. A lot of you had been asking us to bring Ajrak Mull Cotton collections. So here I am. This time we have some unique designs, different design patterns, gorgeous shades. I'm sure all of you will love it. So let's see what I have in store for you. This is the first one, a gorgeous midnight blue shade. So this is how the sari looks. That's the body of the sari, and this is the gorgeous pallu, intricate designs, geometrical patterns, and accessorized with handmade tassels. And I'll show you the blouse. So that's the blouse. Okay. Mull cotton saris are the softest cottons that you can find and very easy to drape, very comfortable wear. This is the second one. This is in black. Okay, so this sari we had launched last time and lot of you had asked for the same sari. So we have restocked this sari again this time. So all of you who had wanted to book this sari can do it now. Lovely prints, gorgeous pallu, accessorized with tassels. I'll show you the blouse. That's the blouse. All are authentic Ajrak prints from our artisans from Gujarat. All these are handmade prints, so there are chances of irregularities in printing or some color differences, but that's not to be taken as a damage, because that shows the authenticity of the product. So this is the third one, a lovely pattern. This is again in black. That's how the sari looks. You have a half and half pattern here. This is the upper portion and that's the lower portion. And this is the pallu of the sari, accessorized with tassels. I'll show you the pallu. So that's the blouse. Okay. I personally love this design. Very beautiful. When you drape it, this upper portion, this will come in your pallu part. So it will look very elegant, very different. Okay. Now we have gorgeous reddish. It's not the dark red, you can call it a brownish tinge, with red. Again a very different designing pattern. That's the body and this is the pallu, accessorized with tassels, and that's the blouse piece. Yes. All designs are new this time. Okay, another piece here. Each piece is unique and gorgeous. You just cannot compare, That's how the sari looks. Again a different designing pattern. In the lower, no, the border part you have different designing, and the upper part of the body you have a different design. This is again reddish shade, not the dark one, because all these are vegetable dyes, so you will not see a very bright shades here. That's the gorgeous pallu, accessorized with beautiful tassels. And let me show you the blouse. That's the blouse of the saree. And this is the last piece, a very different shade. That's how the body looks, and that's the pallu, accessorized with tassels. And I'll show you the blouse. That's the blouse of the saree. So these 6 sarees we have launched now. All are new this time, except for the one which we have relaunched, since a lot of you had been asking for that design and shade. So all of you who love any of these sarees can book them. You can message us on our Instagram inbox, or you may even WhatsApp us to the mentioned number. Thank you so much.